The Anti-Terrorist Squad ATS of Gujarat Police have arrested 4 persons, including a foreign national associated with an international terrorist organization from Gujarat's coastal town of Porbandar, the sources said on Saturday. A special team of the ATS had been active for the past few days for special operations in Porbandar and surrounding areas. During their operations, the ATS detained 4 people, including a foreign national associated with the terrorist organization, the sources said. A huge convoy of officials, including Gujarat Anti-Terrorist Squad DIG Dipen Bhadran, are in Porbandar. It is being speculated that the officials, including the IG, are in Porbandar in connection with the secret operation. DIG Dipen Bhadran, SP Sunil Joshi, DYSP KK Patel, DYSP Shankar Chaudhary, along with other officials were involved in the operations, ATS sources added. Security has also been intensified on all local persons associated with foreign nationals. Today, the top officials of ATS of Gujarat Police can make an announcement about the entire operation, the ATS sources said. The world's most expensive mango, Miyazaki, has been showcased in the 7th edition of the Mango Festival being held in West Bengal's Siliguri. The 3-day-long festival kicked off on June 9th and is being held at a mall located in Matigara, Siliguri. The festival has been organized by Modela Caretaker Center and School with Association for Conservation and Tourism, news agency ANI has reported. At the festival, more than 262 varieties of mangoes have been put on display, of which Miyazaki has caught everyone's attention as it is called the world's most expensive mango. As reported by Siliguri Times, Shaukat Hussain, a farmer from the Birbhum of West Bengal, has participated in the festival, showcasing 10 pieces of Miyazaki mango. As per ANI, these mangoes are priced at 2.75 lakh per kg. The Jharkhand State Student Union JSSU has again called a strike Bandh for 2 days that is scheduled from June 10th till June 11th. The Bandh has been organized to protest against the 60-40 ratio-based recruitment policy of the Chief Minister Hemant Soren-led state government. It means the new policy does not have any provision for reservations for the locals in grade 3 and grade 4 jobs. As per information, 40% of the available positions are designed for candidates from other states, while 60% include reservations for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, other backward classes, and economically weaker section belonging to the state. The reservation data states 26% for the ST, 14% for the OBC, 10% for the SC, and 10% for the EWS. The Hemant Soren government was forced to bring a new recruitment policy in 2022 based on the 60-40 ratio formula, since its recruitment policy in 2021 was set aside by the Jharkhand High Court in December 2022. Very severe cyclonic storm Biparjoy is set to intensify further in the next 24 hours, the Indian Meteorological Department said on Saturday. According to the latest weather bulletin issued by the IMD, the cyclonic storm, which is currently located about 690 km west of Goa, 640 km west-southwest of Mumbai and 640 km south-southwest of Porbandar, is packing winds of up to 145 km per hour. The weather department also said that the cyclone would move north-northeastwards. Very severe cyclonic storm Biparjoy at 23:30 hours IST of 9th June over East Central Arabian Sea near latitude 16 degree north and longitude 67.4 east, likely to intensify further and move north-northeastwards during the next 24 hours, the IMD said in a tweet. High waves were observed at Tithal Beach in Gujarat's Valsad on the Arabian Sea coast in anticipation of cyclone Biparjoy. As a precautionary measure, Tithal Beach has been closed to tourists until June 14th. High-speed winds will affect weather in the Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra coasts till June 10th. Gale winds can reach a speed of 145 to 155 km per hour, gusting to 170 km per hour over the Central Arabian Sea.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.